मिर्जापुर जब मैंने सुना तो वो मुझे ऐसा बहुत ऑफ नहीं लगा या ऐसा नहीं लगा ओ ये तो कुछ ऐसा भी होता है बिकॉज कहीं ना कहीं मुझे पता था ऐसी चीजें होती होंगी होती हैं तो आई लव द डायलॉग वेयर ही सेज कि हमें जिंदा छोड़ दिए गलती की and when people buy your tickets to go and see your film that whole experience so of course that's also like any other person I also have that dream.
Today on Spot Boy, we have Harshita Gaur, your own Dimpy from Mirzapur 2, to talk about the much awaited series. Harshita, tell me, finally the answer is here for the audience कि Mirzapur 2 कब आ रहा है? We spoke to you regarding this few months back and you said कि लोग अब upset होने लगे हैं क्योंकि हम जवाब नहीं दे पा रहे सीजन कब आएगा. How does it feel कि अब finally एक आंसर है आपके पास?
अब फाइनली आंसर है सीजन 2 23 अक्टूबर को आ रहा है पर अब लोग पूछ भी नहीं रहे ना कब आ रहा है अब कह रहे हैं जल्दी लाओ दिन का खत्म करो बीच में तो या फाइनली
जो ट्रेलर है उसमें हम आपको जो ट्रेलर है उसमें हम आपको काफी रिवेंजफुल मोड में देख रहे हैं इस बार सो क्या नया ऑडियंस को देखने को मिलेगा हर्षिता की तरफ से
मुझे लग रहा है डिम्पी के लिए तो उनको सब कुछ ही ऐसा नया लगेगा बिकॉज you know also because it's more from season 1 if I'm only talking about Dimpy's character and नया ये है कि अब इतनी बड़ी चीज हुई है एक वेडिंग हुई है जहाँ पे इतना मतलब भाई को मार दिया है फ्रेंड को मार दिया है पूरी फैमिली एक उस स्टेट में है और ये गोलू और डिम्पी लेके गुड्डू भैया को लेके कहीं निकल गए हैं तो अब क्या सो आई थिंक दैट एंड इन दैट सिनेरियो where Dimpy is so that's very new and what is her point of view towards whatever is happening तो वो काफी वो लोगों को देखने में मजा आएगा.
Harshita, you already have a connection with this term Mirzapur. So I would like to hear about that कि childhood memories हैं लेकिन अफसोस के साथ बहुत अच्छी नहीं है. तो अगर आप उसके बारे में बात करना चाहें.
Actually childhood memories मेरी खराब नहीं है. It's just that जब मैं जाती थी तो मैंने so basically मेरे नाना जी is from मिर्जापुर तो but हालांकि he's lived outside of Mirzapur after he grew up and my mom is a single child so she's grown up in Amritsar and all but जब हम जाते थे वहां पे हम मॉम जाती थी तो मैंने वो अपने कजन मामा के घर में गन देखी है और उसके बाद की चीजें ऐसी हैं कि हमारी फैमिली को बोला गया था नहीं जाने के लिए वहां पे नानी वाज फाइटिंग सम केस तो दोज आर द थिंग्स दैट आई हैव हर्ड
ओके
तो उससे मुझे बस मैं ये बोल सकती हूँ कि मिर्जापुर जब मैंने सुना तो वो मुझे ऐसा बहुत ऑफ नहीं लगा या ऐसा नहीं लगा ओ ये तो कुछ ऐसा भी होता है बिकॉज कहीं ना कहीं मुझे पता था ऐसी चीजें होती हैं क्योंकि कुछ घर में सुना था कुछ चीजें चल रही थी तो ये है एक कनेक्शन जो है मिर्जापुर से.
You said you signed this show जब web series इतनी trend में नहीं थी and you didn't expected this to turn out this popular. So how does it feel? Do you feel that it was a very good decision to say a yes to this particular show?
No, so I was just saying that yes, of course, I'm very grateful and I'm very glad that this happened to me. I, you know, yeah, I mean, this is actually such shows are those rare gems that happen in your life, and I'm so glad for it.
We also heard that you were in tears while dubbing for this season. Why was that?
The last episode, actually, that wedding episode, and we were dubbing for it. Anyway, dubbing, you have to get back to all those emotions. But
Right.
I just took after dubbing and it was done. Okay, now you're done for Mirzapur once dubbing. Then I cried because I dubbed for this thing, and I just probably maybe at that time I just felt whatever had happened so much as Dimpy and so much like my brother dying and this happening and that happening that I just took 5 minutes and I cried.
Okay. Ever since the trailer of season 2 is out, a lot of dialogues have been converted into memes, which is trending all over social media. Which has been your personal favorite? I mean, like any of the dialogues from the trailer which Harshita is liking.
So I love that dialogue where he says कि हमें जिंदा छोड़ दिए गलती की. I think that's my favorite.
Harshita, also, if not Dimpy, which of the character, if I ask you, you would have loved to play in this whole series?
I mean, maybe her transformation or whatever. Actually, when you'll see the show, that is when you'll realize that why I'm saying why. I mean, that's the answer is in the show.
Okay. Mirzapur is a crime-based series. It's talk about revenge, and we can see a lot of violence happening in the web series. Still, people are loving it. But what sort of content Harshita personally likes to watch, and why?
What type of content? Whatever is interesting to watch. It could be a documentary also, but whatever. I don't watch a lot of stuff. But yeah, whatever. If you start something and it hooks you, then that's what I like to watch. Like, you know, interesting होना चाहिए, drama होना चाहिए, interesting होना चाहिए. It just should hook you on to itself. So that.
Harshita, you have done a TV show and then you have explored OTT platform like anything. You have done so many shows here. So, do you want to get back to television? And if yes, then what kind of shows are you expecting?
I so never said that I don't want to do TV or I've gotten away from it. I just said that the pattern is such that it requires a lot of time commitment. So
Right.
tomorrow, if TV makes something like like a episode like a 10 episode thing like how we have in web, then why not? It all
Yeah.
depends on the script. But their format is such that you don't kind of find that time to give like a year or 2 years to just one project.
It was your birthday yesterday. How did you celebrated it?
I was working on my birthday. I did one ad, so I was working. It was good working birthday.
How do you like to celebrate your birthday otherwise, if not working?
Friends. But one thing that I really, really have to do on my birthday is, which is very obvious, but cut the cake. So yesterday I
Okay.
had a feeling that probably I won't be able to cut the cake on my birthday. But
Why?
we kind of, because the shoot was kind of going mad and it went on for quite some time. It got delayed. So yeah, but then we still managed to cut a cake.
Okay. Have you started shooting for your another web series, Punchbeat?
No, not
The
yet.
shooting has not started yet.
Yeah.
Okay, so what kind of work Harshita is looking for after the Mirzapur 2? Because I think you have experimented enough with the characters.
I don't think I have, to be honest. I don't think I've really done a lot of characters. It could be like similar characters in different shows, but yeah. So that way, I would like to explore a lot. And what else was part of your question? Sorry.
So what sort of characters are you looking for?
See, all. I mean, it really depends on the script. Like if I like the script and if there's something very interesting that I want to do it, then yeah. But how should I say characters? Like all, like badass, sweet, and everything. Maybe a little I don't know, negatives also maybe gray
Okay,
shades and all that.
so so you don't mind playing a gray shirt character on screen.
Aren't we all gray shades as human beings also? So why not? Everybody is a gray shade. Real
Okay.
life.
Okay. All the actors look up to 70 screen. Everybody has some their own Bollywood dreams. What is Harshita's take on this? You also have a Bollywood dream, or you are content with acting whatever the platform is?
No, acting wise, of course, whatever the platform is, it's always good to go on a set and act. That's what we love to do. But yes, having said that, I would really want to, do a very good role or do a very good film because I think the uh, people just, I mean, the film's experience is very different. And
Right.
that what you said, a 70 experience is very different. And when people buy your tickets to go and see your film, that whole experience. So of course, that's also like any other person. I also have that dream. But yeah, acting on any platform is what I would love to do.
Okay, lastly, we conclude before we conclude this interview, I would like to know, how do your family reacted when they saw Mirzapur? The first part.
They were very happy. They were very happy because they all loved the show. So part of it, and in otherwise also they just really loved the show.
Okay. Thank you so much, Harshita, for joining us.
Thank you so much for having me here.
Take care, Harshita. See you soon.